Okay, let's start with some of the basics for the website, which would be the menus, the social icons, and some of the links that are you can see on the website as a whole, which is in the header here. So if we go into dashboard and we'll go into settings, oops, excuse me, click on settings, you'll come to the general tab. This is where you would be able to change the name of the website and a tagline, which is also very good for SEO. Do not ever change site URLs here. Do not mess with them. Once we actually turn the site live, this will change to the real URL. But please do not mess with these. You can also change the email address of the person who might be getting any kind of communication from the website. And in the previous in the previous video, I forgot to mention that do not ever delete the admin main user in your user tab here. That will take the site offline. So do not ever delete admin main. Some of the things you can set here. The time zone, which is right now set to New York, you can come in here and change it to whatever your time zone is. Some of the other options here. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see additional options. So here's where you enter your links for your Facebook page, your Twitter page, the email. This is just set up as a placeholder, but whatever your email is, where the messages will go, basically anybody can click on this icon and launch their mail server and send an email to whatever email address is attached to this button here, and that is set through this field. On-air link, this is the button here, that's where people go to listen live. Support our radio station, this is where the link is to your website. So if that ever changes, you can come in here and change it as well. And the two pages that are selected here is where you would display all of the events and all of the DJs. So those are sort of a holding or container, sort of say, pages to display the dynamic content from other sections of the website. And of course, if you ever make any changes, just click in here, come in here and click on save. So next thing I would like to go over is the menus. So if you go to appearance and go to menus, you will see a few menus created. The main menu is called the header menu. If you click on it and click select, you will see all of the links that currently appear at the top of your website, which is right here. As you can see, there's two levels for the menu you can create, and all you have to do to create or add elements to the menu is select the pages here. You can click on view all or most recent, click add to menu. They will be automatically added to the bottom of the menu, and then you can just click and drag them and place wherever you want them to go. And to delete a link, all you have to do is open it up and click on remove, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see, some of the pages in here, like 404, these are there as placeholders to show you that the functionality is there. And of course, when we launch the website, those links are no longer needed, so we're going to delete them and clean up the menu a little bit. So anytime you make a change, you have to click on Save Menu, otherwise it will not save. We also have the footer menu. Footer menu is what appears here. So you can mimic what's in the main menu here, or you can add additional links that you think people might deem as important. And as you can see here, the links here. And then we have the DJ blogs. And this is the menu that we're using in the widget, which appears in the sidebar of the blog. That way, when people are reading the blog, they can read by DJ. So you create a menu and then you add that menu to a widget that will show up in the sidebar. And as you can see here, we have Kelly, Donovan, Tilden, and Sitter. So that covers the menu and some of the elements here. The weather widget is in the code, so there's no need to change that. That will always be displayed and updated automatically. Your logo is also part of the website, and there's really not much of the general settings that you need to do. The copyright year will always update automatically every year, so that's very handy. Alright, next video will cover some of the pages.